So GM, right? GM, um, they're poised, especially with the new administration coming in, to have a pole position. One, because President Trump is going to be extra hard on China, who's really the big competitor to the U.S. Automakers. I don't think you're going to see any Chinese vehicles coming here into the U.S. anytime soon because they're tariffed beyond belief. In fact, they started being tariffed during Trump's first administration, and Biden didn't remove those tariffs. If anything, Trump is going to make them more. We're not going to see the China car manufacturing is not going to be coming to North America or probably Europe anytime soon. So, with that said, GM is poised to do even better. They're at a bottom right now, and I understand that we're not in a mature sideways trend, but I think this is a great opportunity. If I put one of our free indicators on there, SIP, I'm going to use the MACD, the MACD, and I'm going to have it programmed for the fast MACD, which is 6, 19, and 3. And I'm going to calculate it. Our free indicator lets us do this. We can change the calculation point from the closing prices to the volume weighted average price. So you get a little bit more of a volume validation in these arrows. And a bottom was found, and we haven't gotten the follow through yet. So we want to wait for the follow through. But I'm poised to start to load up on either GM stock in lots of 100, or there's a substitute option that I might be interested in instead, and it's about half the price, and it's the GM September expiration $30 call. So either one of those I might load up on. And that would allow me, when first of all, it'll allow me to take care of, if any movement up, even if a few dollars moved up on that back month call would be leveraged. That's great. And then if I stall like I did before at this level of horizontal resistance, $60, I could sell near term at the money call premium, which is what we love to do. And then I could buy some protective puts down here at the $50 strike price. And now I've created pretty much a hands off, low risk, if not risk free trade that I can then, rinse and repeat, just like today is options expiration date for, the monthly January option, the weekly January 17th option, and this is the annual expiration of the 2025 leap. It's all happening today. We can take advantage of those option expiration dates and just turn them into paychecks every month with a stock like GM.
Yeah, I was very excited when I saw this in our notes this morning because I saw a video or something that was trending on the internet. And then
Right.
I was, oh, GM is making a comeback not only with their stock, but it looks as if these traditional, I would call it maybe like 80s vibes, like these were big in the 80s, are going to be making a comeback in 2025. So there may be some I don't know, younger Gen Zers that are going to be entering the market, because it seems to be a fad of like the 90s coming back, the 80s coming back. But when I saw a couple of these clips of the new GM big body, I was like, okay, I could see there being some momentum to that because it is cool looking. And then if it's got all the new features like they have in the new cars with the bigger screens and like the connectedness of everything, a lot of cool things coming out of GM and just the auto industry in general. So exciting stuff. GM, AJ likes it for his pick of the week.